back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. I feel like Walmart Ibotta just kind of like dropped. I mean, the beginning of the month was awesome, but now it's kind of the middle of the month and I feel like the rebates are not that great. Now, you guys still might have some of those rebates. Usually when the rebates reset, and Ibotta is the only app that usually resets. Checkout 51 does, but you can only submit it one at a time. Oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. But yeah, Ibotta usually lets you, when it does reset, usually lets you do the deal 5 times. So, and if you guys ever have a product that it's like you got this exact item on the app, but it's not scanning, you guys can still buy it and email them. I always, when I email them, I submit my receipt and show them, you know, this is what I bought, so they can look into it. They are super helpful. And they usually give you guys a credit. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. I know I have a lot of newbies who don't know how to use the Ibotta app, but I'm here to share with you guys how to use it. So what I ended up getting, now there's some new coupons that showed up on Sunday yesterday, and they're already gone by that night, and I wish I printed more, you know, because I printed from 2 different browsers, but I wish I printed more because I really love raisins. I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. We all are in our family. We're kind of giving up on candy. All the candy I usually get, I just give it away. But they had a 2 off of 2 coupon that was on coupons.com. It was super awesome, so it was very limited. But I ended up getting the raisins coupon. So these were $1.98 a piece. I used that 2 off of 2 coupon. That is no longer available, but you guys will get both of these for $1.96. That comes out to be like 99 cents, and there's 6 of them in each pack. I think this is a great deal. Now, these are something I can just stick in my purse, and if I ever need a snack, I can go for it. So I really love that I got some raisins. Now, I did get a lot of food items for this haul too. My Target haul was like a lot of food items, and Walmart was a lot of food items, which is kind of weird. It's just like the food month, but I was pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did the soft scrub deal. Now, these were $1.98 at my store. Now, this coupon I don't think is available anymore either, but it's buy one get one free. So you guys want to use the soft scrub coupon, buy one get one free, you guys will get both of these for $1.98. But then you guys can also submit a $1 rebate on Savings Star, making it just 98 cents. So these come out to be just 49 cents a piece. So I thought that was a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in soft scrub. Now, I did the Hellmann's ketchup and the mayonnaise again. My husband's like, you're giving away all the mayonnaise and all the ketchup when I had my garage sale this past weekend. And I'm like, it's okay, I'll get more because I still, you know, the app is, there's those coupons are still good and they're still good on Ibotta. So these were, the ketchup was $3.38 and the mayonnaise was $2.98. You want to use that buy one get one free coupon. Now, the coupon does take up to $2.99 for the ketchup. So you guys would end up paying $3.37 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate for the mayonnaise, and you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate for the ketchup, making your final price just 37 cents, which I think that's a pretty good deal. That's less than 20 cents a piece, and I love it. I love it. So definitely wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I ended up doing the Listerine nightly reset mouthwash. Now, these coupons were on coupons.com, but they are not there anymore, but they don't expire for another month. So sometimes those coupons, if they don't expire for a month, and it's new product, I usually print them because it's usually going to pop up on Ibotta. They usually like to get new deals on new product. So these are $4.94. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that was on coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.94 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 94 cents. I want to try this. it says it's less intense, which I do like. I tried Listerine one time and it was just like wake up call. Wow! So definitely want to try that. I ended up getting the olives to go. I'm not a big olive fan, but you know, if you ever have a party or something, or you need something that's like a better snack, definitely get these because you can take olives to go. So these were $2.64. I used that dollar off coupon that I used in the inserts we got from a couple weeks ago. There might be also a dollar off coupon on coupons.com. I'm not sure if it's still available. But you guys would pay $1.64 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 64 cents. So you get 4 of them in here for 64 cents. That could be a pretty good deal. My cat's near me. Yes, she is. The next deal I got is a Swap Kids. Now, I did have a 50-cent off coupon that I printed from coupons.com. I saw it yesterday, could not find it anywhere, but that's okay because majority of you guys probably don't have that coupon anyways. So this was $1.88. You guys would pay $1.88 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.38. Plus you guys can also get points with Fetch Rewards, so you guys would get 18 points with this. Now if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app along with Ibotta. You guys click my referral link, and when you add my referral link, when you guys join, you guys will get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. So, and every 1,000 points you guys get is $1. So and then I forgot to also mention you guys get fetch points for these. You guys get 38 points for the ketchup and 29 points for the mayo. So giving you guys a heads up on that. Now I really needed to get 10 rebates to finish. Well, I finished already the level 3 during the shopping trip, but I had a bonus. It was the Weekend Warrior, and I needed just 10 rebates to get it. So I ended up just finding some stuff so I could get it just because I wanted to do this deal. So I ended up doing the Neutrogena Acne Wash. These were $4.77. If you guys could find coupons for it, go for it. I could not find any. So I paid $4.77 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $2.77. So not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys in case you guys are also in a pinch. Now, these I'm pretty excited about. I actually love eating these kind. Is the Rice Crisps. So I was pretty excited, you know, to try this deal. So these were $2.98. There was no coupons that I know of, so you guys would pay $2.98 for these. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can also get points for buying these. I got 29 points on Fetch Rewards for this also. So you end up getting this for $1.98, which is a pretty good deal. I feel like this bag is a lot bigger than the other one. Now they had the caramel and the cheddar, and I just feel like I like the caramel better. They did change the print, but these are so good, so good. So I'm pretty excited. I just want to try to eat a little bit healthier. I'm trying to avoid certain snacks, and I think those are pretty good. I mean, it is gluten-free. There's whole grains in it. 120 calories. I don't even want to know about sugar. 10 grams. So just a little bit healthier than ever. But yeah, that was my Walmart Ibotta haul. It wasn't the greatest, but I feel like I got a lot of food items. I mean, some stuff I didn't, but I feel like I got a lot of food items, which is nice because I really want to start getting more food items because, you know, we're all into save money and a lot of us need food, you know, to survive. So my total came to $21.52. I ended up getting $9.75 back with Ibotta. I got $1 back with Saving Star. I got 112 points total for Fetch Rewards. And then I finished level 3 on Ibotta, so that was a $2 bonus. And then I finished the Weekend Warrior, which I just needed 10 rebates, and that was $2. So my total came to $6.77. I got 11 items, that's just 62 cents a piece. So I think that's pretty good. You know, $7 for 11 items, I think that's pretty good. I will pay 62 cents for this. I think that is a great deal. But yeah, if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely click it. I show you guys deals every single week on Ibotta deals. You guys can also be my friend on Facebook. Now I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. I have 2 Facebook accounts. I have my personal one that I use forever, and I have one that for you guys to friend request me. If you guys friend request me on my personal one, I will deny you. I won't message you or anything. I'll just deny you. You have to use that one. I have my background says Ibotta, so you guys will know. I've had a couple people friend request me on my personal page, and I'm just like, no. So I'm not trying to be mean. I just am trying to keep 2 things separate. But if you guys have any questions, you guys can, you know, message me on Ibotta. Or message me on Facebook. I sometimes don't go on there like right away. I maybe go on there once a day, but I will answer your guys' questions if you guys have any questions. But please, you know, be my friend. You guys can be on the same team as me. And yes, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.